What's up, guys? Rhett Tollison, KST Kustoms. Just wanted to point out a few things on the new 2024 Street Glide, Road Glide models. The install video that we put out there was using a clutch cable from Harley, and a lot of guys have called in, a little confused when they receive the clutch cable that we're shipping now, because it looks a little different and they're unsure on how it mounts the bike. So we're just going to point that out real quick. This one here is what the stock connection will look like. It's got a spring adjustment, a little red button here that you release to adjust the tension on the clutch. This new one that we're shipping, it's got the older style screw adjustment. So you basically connect it the same, but to adjust the tension, make it tighter or looser, you're just going to thread or unthread and then tighten it down with the lock nut there. So same principle, just looks a little different.